My vision of exemplary teaching is creating an environment that immerses students in an authentic learning experience that they'll never forget. These authentic lessons are driven by need, novelty, meaning, and emotion. I believe in creating units that are based around valuable learning experiences, such as service learning projects, labs, and field trips. Then I add other instructional strategies like humor, storytelling, music, games, manipulatives, brainstorming, movement, reciprocal teaching, visuals, and technology.
You'll learn things that you will never forget, and you'll do projects that you'll never forget, like the field trips, like Kristen McAuliffe Center, we took a field trip. Like you go there and you just learn so many things that you think you'll never learn about, and it's like you just get blown away.
We do service learning projects. Our challenge? How can we learn from each other's strengths and work collaboratively to improve the environment in the school, the community, and the world?
It mentally prepared me, I guess you could say, for higher level classes, because in Howell, you weren't just learning like 7th grade curriculum. You were learning like things you were going to need for the rest of your life. Like the projects that we did to help the community, like I will never forget them.
We started a recycling program in this school, which is spread to all the schools in the Plymouth system now. That recycling program has expanded from paper to plastics and most recently cardboard.
He's one in a million. You'll never find another Mr. Phillips. He took even the most boring subject that you have to teach about, and he just turned it into the most interesting thing.
He's amazing. Okay, an adjective to describe Mr. Phillips is amazing times like 110.
I can remember back to when I was a 7th grader, and I saw the movie To Sir with Love, and I wanted to be that teacher. That same year, I had Mr. Blakeney, Mr. Gage, and Mr. Green, 3 great teachers who were having fun every day. Mr. Blakeney was my science teacher, and I wanted to teach science like he taught science. One of my former students, J.C. Fitzpatrick, is a science teacher now in our school, teaching a genetic lesson that I shared with her. This summer, I was able to go on an Earthwatch fellowship to Africa to study elephants at Tsavo National Park. I put together a presentation and have done that presentation for the entire 7th grade. The Wall of Accomplishment demonstrates to all who visit my classroom how my students have impacted the school, the community, and the world. Recently, I've been involved in teacher workshops that promote effective teaching of national standards using proven teacher strategies that motivate both teachers and students using brain-based learning. I've really enjoyed teaching these last 35 years. I can't imagine a more exciting and rewarding career.